Hi, my name is Robert Gino El Mendiola, Teacher 1 at Polo National High School in Valenzuela, currently teaching MAPE Grade 8. So first question, as a child, what were your favorite traditional Filipino games you have played? As far as I can remember, such as Tumbang Preso, Song Tinik, Patintero are my favorite traditional Filipino games. Second, do you think children of this era still play traditional Filipino games? Why or why not? I think here in Manila, not anymore, but I guess in provinces, they still do. Because here in Manila, most of our children are really engaged into gadgets. And as I observe, most of our students are also engaged in famous sports such as basketball and volleyball. Third question, why do you think it is important to preserve and promote the traditional Filipino games? I think preserving and promoting traditional Filipino games is really important because as a PE teacher, I believe these games are more than just fun. They are a big part of our culture and histories. By keeping these games alive, we make sure the future generation understand and appreciate our culture. Promoting them helps students to stay healthy and still connected to their roots, which is something I strongly believe in. Fourth question, what are the programs that your organization or school did to promote traditional Filipino games? In our school, we incorporate traditional Filipino games in our school intramurals so that our students can enjoy not just the usual sports like volleyball, basketball, badminton, but also those traditional Filipino games like Patintero, Tumbang Preso, Luksong Tinik, and so on and so forth. Fifth question, from those programs campaign, which ones were more effective in promoting traditional Filipino games? I think, just like my answer in question number 4, incorporating traditional Filipino games in our school intramurals because it is very effective. Why? Because I observed that even those students who are not bodily kinesthetic are really enjoying playing those games. And last, how would you imagine traditional Filipino games in 10 to 20 years from now? In 10 to 20 years, I imagine traditional Filipino games will continue to be an important part of our culture, but they might have evolved into something to fit in our modern times. As a PE teacher, I believe these games will blend in technology, maybe by using augmented reality or AR rather, to make them more exciting for our students. But I think for me still, it is very important for our students to be engaged in more on physical activities more than just technologies. Thank you.